Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to do something a little bit different, which is what is in my bag. Okay, so this is trending all over YouTube, so I thought let me be different and follow the trend. So basically, let me go straight into the point. This bag is from Zara, and as you can see there's a handle, and I always like to wear my bag across my body, so this is very useful. And there's also a hand handle as well in case if I want to just wear it like this. Firstly, of course, I have my purse. So it's my Calvin Klein purse, and it's quite a big purse, so sometimes I don't put my purse in my bag. I might just put my bank cards, my driving license, just a bit of ID in there. And another thing, of course, very important, is my phone. I slip that in there. Well, obviously I don't slip it in there. Like, a phone is a phone, like you go everywhere with your phone. And then of course I have tissue in my bag, because obviously, like, you know, it's winter, sometimes your nose can be running. Instead of doing this, you know, on the bus, I don't like stuff like that. I like to have tissue on hand, you know, in case if you touch something dirty. Like, this is very useful, so I always have tissues in my bag. You never know, somebody can be crying, you know, anything can happen. So this is my go-to. I learned this from my mother. I have my Aveeno hand cream, and so moisturizing. Like, I always like to have hand cream in my bag. I never like my hands to be dry. I hate it. I really hate ashy, you know, when it gets a bit ashy here. No. I always like to have hand cream. Of course, I have my Oyster card. Come on, like, I need my Oyster card to travel, like, so that's always in my bag. My mirror, don't you think that this mirror is so cute? Like, I got it as a birthday present a while back from my cousin. Thank you, by the way, I love it. And like, if you just open it up, isn't it, like, it's so cute. Like, it's really cute. It's like a shell, yeah, I love it. And it's gold and pretty. I tend to have chewing gum in my bag sometimes, but I've got this fresh mint breath spray from M&S, so yeah, I love to have it. And you know,
I don't want stinking breath when I'm talking to people, you know.
I don't like that, so I always like to have this or chewing gum or something, you know. Even if I run out of chewing gum, at least I have this. It's a backup, so I like to have that too. Of course, I've got my keys, I got car keys, headphones so that I can listen to music when I'm on the tube, on the bus, or whatever, when I don't want to be disturbed. A pen. It's very important to have a pen. You just never know when you need to write notes or when you need to jot something down, so I always have a pen. And my pen is pink. And hand sanitizer. You can go restaurant, you can go places, you can touch something dirty.
Someone sneezes, someone coughs, does all of that nonsense.
You know, I like to put my hand sanitizer. So this one is from Bath and Body Works, and this flavor is, it smells so good. It's like a little lemony, zesty smell. So I always like to have my hand sanitizer, and it's very hard to find this in the UK. I get mine from the US. So maybe if you want to order online or something, you can maybe order it online, whatnot. My favorite lip balm, EOS. I love EOS. I've been using EOS for years and years. You can now get it. The time I was using it, it didn't even really exist in the UK. I had to get it in America. Anytime I used to travel to America, I had to get this lip balm. So I'm so glad that you can now order EOS easily on eBay, Amazon. You can get it in the hair shop. You can get it in Superdrugs, Boots. So they sell it. So it's about $6.99, but I love it. Like, I don't like to be having dry lips. Like, I can't survive. If my lips are dry, I cannot survive. So I always like to have a lip balm. You can see it's got like studs around it, which is really pretty. And then at the bottom, it's got like studs there. So say if, like, obviously it's bad practice to put your bag on the floor, but say if you do put your bag on the floor or something. Sorry guys, I lost battery. Never try to film when your battery's gonna die. Just never try it. But anyways, as I was saying, I don't think this bag is that practical, even though it's like really pretty and it's nice and it's really compact. but inside there's not like little pockets or anything like that, so I don't think it's the best practical bag when you want to try and put things inside. And obviously if it's raining and if I want to put my umbrella or anything like that, you know, I have to hold it and then carry the bag. But then I guess that's the cons of wearing a small bag. But I just wanted to share this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Support a sister. Until next time.